I am going to the Honorable Chief Minister. There is a meeting at 11:30 on this subject. Subject is migrants leaving from Goa. Today, along with me, the CREDAI, the construction activity ji goyan चालू ha, whether they are flats, bungalows, villas or whatever it is, they are also coming to meet the Honorable CM. Their say and my say is the same, that hotel industry जे जितके staff हा, shacks, water sports, hotel industry, restaurants हे ते जे कोण घरा वचोंक सोदता तेणी वयचे, they should go home. And it is very important that they should leave because they are in a very bad situation over there. Because the owners are giving them food grains, they are cooking, some hotel is cooking and giving them food. But ते कितले दिसांनी चलतले, तेजेर problem हा. So this has been taken care by the MHA guidelines that they can move. Now, along with them, construction activity laborers, we call them migrants, we call them laborers, we call them whatever it is, going to bylaw. They come from Bihar, UP, Calcutta, Karnataka, Maharashtra, all the other states. Carpenters who are working in this industry, which is part of the economy of the state of Goa. Sale deed जावपाक जाय जाल्यार फ्लॅटां होपपाक जाय, फ्लॅटां रेडी जावपाक जाय. खंय तरी बंगलो कोणाचो अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन आहा, ही हॅज टू गेट रेडी. सो नाजाल्यार सेल डीड जावचें ना, फाल्यां कोण लँड घेवंक येवचो ना. म्हणजे दिस इज ऑल पार्ट ऑफ द इकॉनॉमिक एक्टिविटी.
Why these people are living? Did the builders, the contractors did not give them proper food?
No,
or
they
did
are
not pay them
scared.
properly?
They are scared. They are being taken care of by their builders or whatever contractors. Some who are daily wage laborers were in problem, and government and we as businessmen have given them food in Kalangut. 1,800 food packets were being given every day. Some sponsored by the people, some by the government. But they are also scared now whether this work will continue in full swing or not, whether they will get the same money what they were getting earlier or not. It will take some time for things to come back to normal, but if they go, it will be very difficult for us to get them back. So it is required, this labor force is required for a state like Goa, which is a progressive state where works of roads, works of buildings, houses and everything is going on in full swing.
Now that they have decided to go, is it ethically or morally right for you or the government to stop them to go back to their
We
home?
can't stop anybody, but we will have to convince them to stay back. The economic activity will start, has already started and will start in a full swing way in time to come. So it may take a month, but it will start in full swing. Right now they have already started getting their jobs back. The contractor, the builder or the wherever they were working to construct a house for a Goan, that work has already started back. So the work is assured for them, but there is a scare in their mind that everybody wants to go back to their home place. So they are feeling that they are out of place. They are not in their state. Like they may have a difficulty again of eating food or lockdown or anything like that. So they are thinking anything happens like that, if we are in our home state, we will at least get our shelter is there, the food, whatever is there in their house, food grains, they will get.